my channel, guys. My name is Zaya. We about to make PlayDoh tonight. And the ingredients today is cornstarch, food coloring, and oil. It's a whole bunch. And we need a spoon, and we don't have no spoon. Go get a spoon for me. The food coloring, I'm about to put all the colors in there. But no, I'm not. I go this. I'm making blue and yellow. See what color that is?
That is how you do that. Sticky to it, guys. This is so hard. Every time I'm smushing the butt, sinking. I look a bird. Very hard. Look. I really broke the spoon. And look. Solution. About to be stuck. If we having a finding. Find it, it just sticks. Bam, bam, bam. Every time I punch it, look. And we have to find a spoon. Ew. We have to find a spoon, guys. We gotta mix it up and start. Okay, is it right? It gotta be in this humongous ball I'm about to make. I hope it's in this humongous ball. Can anybody see something in there? Say yes, guys. Oh, I think I see